Benefits of cloves. Ever wondered about the benefits of cloves? These tiny spices pack a mighty health punch. They're full of antioxidants which fight inflammation. Cloves also have antimicrobial properties, killing harmful bacteria, thus protecting your body from infections. Suffering from toothache? Cloves are your natural remedy. Their eugenol content numbs the pain and soothes your gums. Struggling with digestion? Cloves can help. They aid in producing digestive enzymes, promoting smooth digestion. Lastly, cloves are a secret weapon against cold and flu. The antiviral properties strengthen your immunity. So, incorporate cloves to spice up your health. Like and subscribe for more videos. Remember to share this video on WhatsApp and other social media platforms. See you in the next video.